Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a wooden nut, bolt, and screwdriver. For the screwdriver, I'll use these two dowels. Now I'll carve some grooves into the handle for some grip. Now I'll sand it. Now I'll drill a hole in the screwdriver handle for the shank. Now I'll glue the shank in the handle. Now I'll work on the head of the screwdriver. This is a plastic bolt and nut that I have. Works pretty well. Now I'll sand the screwdriver. Okay, now that the screwdriver is done, now I'll start working on the nut and bolt. For the bolt, I'll use this dowel. I'll thread a nut on the end of the dowel to cut threads into it. I'll use this piece of scrap wood for the head of the bolt. I'll make the nut out of the same piece of scrap wood. Now they're all done. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.